What's up guys, Alessandro here and welcome to this Memeclip update video. Memeclip is one of the biggest play to earn crypto projects that are about to come out, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why I am so bullish for this new crypto project, and probably also many crypto websites currently are talking about this new crypto project. So we're gonna have a look into that, and remember to be subscribed on this channel, and I'm updating you every day whatever is going on here in the crypto space. I'm giving you all day long updates, guys, whatever is coming up here in the crypto space, and of course also whatever I am trading here over on Bybit, Bitunix, Phemex, and so on all exchanges. Remember, this is all no financial advice. I'm just here to entertain you. I'm showing you everything that I'm doing here in the crypto space, my price analysis, the crypto projects that are coming up that I'm buying up right now with huge upside potential, hopefully, and of course also with other things that are going on here in the crypto space. So those are all my own opinions and my own price predictions and so on. So nothing is a financial advice in all of my videos, and that's why very important that you understand that everything is connected with a lot of risk whenever you are trading or buying and selling from those new crypto projects that are coming out. And Memeclip is right now, of course, one that I have my eyes on, because this one here is extremely hyped. Right now we are seeing a lot of articles coming out about this new meme coin project, which is bringing out crypto games where you can earn always the same token and then of course also take profit. So you're basically gaming and at the same time you're also earning. And not only because of that I'm bullish on this project. The thing is that Memeclip is one of the only projects that are bringing out different crypto games, so not just only one. So they are bringing out future crypto games with the same token always inside, in which we also can invest in right now and also stake it for a very high API, since the coin is in the pre-market phase. So the project is already around since quite some time, and also they have their first game already out and future games are about to come. So we can already play the game, the first one, and collect coins, or you just go here into the dashboard and directly buy into the coin and also stake it, because this is exactly what I am doing, and of course like that accumulating every day a lot of coins thanks to this high API. And this will be the case as long as not too many people are buying directly into the coin, but maybe just playing the game and also maybe later on buy it on exchanges and so on. But right now this is in the early stage phase and we can invest right now since the beginning. And I am bullish for Memeclip mainly because they are bringing out not just randomly crypto games, but they are always correlated to very hyped meme coins that we have already in the crypto space. So for example, about Shiba, because here Subway Meme Rush is about Shiba. It has also a little bit something with Dogecoin, but it's mainly about Shiba. And you can also see that future games that are coming out, for example, Pepe's Pool Party, which will be the next one that will be launching, has also to do with a very hyped meme coin. And imagine what happens when we're gonna see another big altcoin season and all those meme coins are going to the moon. Then of course we have very good chances that everything around those meme coins, especially such crypto games where we can also earn their Memeclip tokens as well here, can do. Because if Pepe's Pool Party, for example, is a new hyped crypto game that everyone is playing because Pepe is going to the moon and everything around Pepe is so hyped, then of course we have good chances that this Memeclip coin and also the project Memeclip will also be great, just because of the meme coin behind the games here. And not only Pepe is here in the project, so also Popcat, for example, or Dogecoin, they already have some plans for those other hyped new meme coins. Maybe in the future also it will be Bonk or Catslab and many others. Also Brett is here. So we have here many upcoming crypto games, in my opinion, that have the chance to become viral. And that is also not only because of the game itself, but also because of the meme coin, the hyped meme coin that is behind it. So this one has different ways how it could eventually be a good performing coin at launch, and of course also a good project for the long term to always keep. And also in the future staking will be available, but at much lower API most likely, because as soon as everyone is jumping into a coin, the API usually is dropping a lot. And that's why we can take right now the opportunity to buy into this coin and of course stake it for a high API. You can also here here use different cryptos to buy in, also credit card and so on. You just connect your wallet like MetaMask or Phantom Wallet, and many others are supported, and then you can just buy and stake here and using different cryptos here. Of course, this is all no financial advice, guys, but I like this project very much, and I hope that this one is going to be a successful one. Also, it is already audited by Solid Proof, so they have already here the audit out, and this is of course also very important for new crypto projects as well. And don't forget that this one has already one game out. Next games are incoming, and once we're gonna see a big altcoin season and those meme coins are again mooning like crazy, then I think that the big hype will be starting. And already now there are different crypto websites talking about this new Memeclip, and that's why it's definitely a project that we should not ignore. If you want to check it out, the link is right here at the top in the video description, guys. Also here in the complete list of cryptos that are upcoming, you're gonna find also Memeclip and many others, of course, that I'm buying, Bitcoin Hyper, Snorter, and so on. Check them out, and also if you need cryptos, use the exchanges that I'm also using, Bybit, Binance, Femex, and so on. Also in some exchanges like Bitunix, you will get some extra deposit and trading bonuses as well. So check them out, guys, links in the video description. Thank you for watching, stay tuned, be subscribed, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.